Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. This is the last video of the year, guys. The last video of this 2024. This video is available for everyone, but there will be also a longer version for the YouTube channel members and for my Patreon supporters. Thanks to you guys, this studio is once again renewed. I don't know, I lost the count of how many times I have rebuilt the studio, guys. This is because this activity, this little shop is just a work in progress. This channel, guys, survives because you are supporting me. Many of you guys are friends of this channel since the beginning, and I'm actually very grateful to you. I moved and I'm very touched because I know that you are watching me and following me through these years. And you know that basically this is one-man show. This is also a test video. You are watching the new little camera that I have now. And this is because I'm preparing for the next season. And in the next season, you know that I'm starting with the modeling course, guys. I'm preparing a fantasy modeling course, house and dungeon, and in these 10-12 episodes I will show you all my secrets and how to create wonders from nothing, basically. One of the best way to get inspired is to have a beautiful lab, a beautiful studio, a beautiful crafting space that is ready to use and always available for your fantasy and for your imagination. This is why it's very important time to time to get your time and to clean up and to fix all the problems about organization and the space in your study, in your lab. I wasn't lazy in these days, and basically I took my time for change a lot of things in the studio. I give some black paint. I have these two glasses doors for my actually protection of my beautiful pieces. And now I feel very inspired. I can't wait for start. Remember that all the episodes of my modeling course will be available on Patreon or on this channel if you are a member. This course will be for members only, guys. I think it's very important to reward you that are my supporter with these special episodes. So don't miss this occasion. If you subscribe on Patreon right now, you will unlock a lot of contents and the course, guys. The course. Curse is like malediction. Course. Okay? Yeah, my English is not improved during the years, so I'm still Italian, okay? That being said, guys, I wish you a beautiful new year. I wish you that you will start the 2025 in the best possible way, and see you on the next time. Happy crafting!